Good morning, dear students. I am giving answer the following from chapter 10. Name of the chapter 10 is the Reaching the Age of Adolescence. And till question number 5 I have given. Question number 5 is the what happens in a girl's body under the influence of sex hormones. Now we will discuss about answer 6. Question number 6. How is the sex of a baby determined? How is the sex of a baby determined? Answer 6. How is the sex of a baby determined? So in this you have to write whether a baby is going to be girl, going to be a girl or a boy, depends on the sperm which fertilize, depend on sperm which fertilize an ovum. How sex of a baby determined? Whether a baby is going to be a girl or a boy depends on sperm which fertilize an ovum. Egg, sperm, fertilized egg, sex of child. Egg, sperm, fertilized egg, sex of child. Egg, X, sperm, X, Y, fertilized egg, that is the XX, here XY, and here female and male. Here female and male. You can see that whether a baby is going to be a girl or a boy depends on sperm which fertilize an ovum. Egg, sperm, fertilized egg, sex of child. This answer is given on page number 116. You can write from there, otherwise you can write from here. Egg XX, sperm XY, fertilized egg XX, XY, and sex of child female and male. Now come to the question number 7. Write briefly about the Adam's apple. Write briefly about the Adam's apple. Answer 7. Write about the Adam's apple. 7. Voice box or larynx. Voice box or larynx is bigger in boys. And can be seen as the protruding part and can be seen as the protruding part of the throat part of the throat called Adam's apple. Called Adam's apple. Called Adam's apple. So answer 7, you can see that voice box or larynx is bigger in boys and can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. And next question is the 8. Discuss the nutritional needs of adolescents. Discuss the nutritional need of adolescents. Nutritional need of adolescents. Nutritional needs of adolescents. Nutritional needs of adolescents. This one you have to write from page number 117 and 117 and 19. Write from page number 117 and 119. You have to write in this under the heading of nutritional needs of adolescent. As the body is in the stage of rapid growth, during adolescence, nutritional needs are also more, and the diet during this period has to be a balanced diet. And balanced diet is a diet containing proper amounts of all the nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. In such a diet, energy giving carbohydrates and fats, body building proteins and protective foods, vitamins and minerals are present in requisite proportions. After that, you have to write from page number 119. It is important to eat balanced diet, maintain personal hygiene, undertake adequate physical exercise, rest and sleep, and keep away from smoking, alcohol and drugs during adolescence. So this is the answer 8. Now come to the answer 9. Come to the answer 9. Answer 9. Describe the role of pituitary gland in the onset of puberty. Describe the role of pituitary gland in the onset of puberty. So in this you have to write from page number 114. Write from page number 114. You can write from page number 114. Page number 114 you have to write from here. Hormones from pituitary stimulate the release of sex hormones, testosterone from testes in the males and estrogen from ovaries in females. Then you have to write sex hormones released in bloodstream and reach the target site, stimulate changes in the body at the onset of puberty. This you have to write from page number 140. Page number 140. Now come to the question number 10. Question number 10. Write in brief about the hormones other than sex hormones. Write in brief about the hormones other than sex hormones. Answer 10. Answer 10. Answer 10. Thyroxine stimulates respiration and growth. Thyroxine stimulate respiration and growth rate respiration and growth rate. Lack of thyroxine causes goiter. Lack of thyroxine causes goiter. Adrenaline maintain correct salt balance. Adrenaline maintain correct salt balance in the blood controls blood pressure, and helps the body to fight stress. Insulin maintain sugar metabolism. This is the answer 10. Thyroxine stimulates respiration and growth rate. Lack of thyroxine causes goiter. Adrenaline maintains correct salt balance in the blood, controls blood pressure and helps the body to fight stress. Insulin maintains sugar metabolism. This is about the chapter 10. Now chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence, completed.